So apparently this game is called Who is More Likely To. Well, Empress is more likely to do everything. So it's either me, Empress, or me, Neville over there. Who is more likely to do what? What's the first one? Listen to classical music. Me.
No, me.
Me, because I collect music. I'm a music fanatic and I collect classical music also. You don't.
I don't collect, well, maybe it is you. But I like classical music.
But you don't collect it.
And I would go and listen to an orchestra, and I think classical music is also good for children.
Okay.
And the other thing is black people created classical music.
Yeah.
So you have to do that.
Black people create everything in the world.
So you know.
All right, next one.
I'm on a black people thing this morning.
Go to the museum very often, Empress.
Listen, it's so funny. Where am I? It's so funny you say that.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, I like museums.
Yeah, I can tell.
And I actually want to go to more with my children because it's a good learning opportunity.
You're a museum person,
Yeah.
I could tell that.
Yeah,
Not me.
excursions with the children.
Yeah.
We need more museums here in Jamaica.
No, don't go to excursion. We're talking about museum.
Yeah, museum.
Right,
me.
that's you. Right. We need an excursion. Excursion sound like some bush here, so this museum we're talking about. Next one. Being a choir, I actually was in a choir. I was in the church choir.
And guess what? I used to sing in the church.
Yeah, but she can't sing, so I won't say Empress. But I was actually in the church choir.
What did you sing? Give me a church song. Give me a church song. If you were in
Great is thy faithfulness.
Come sing it properly now.
No.
Great
yeah, that's what I said. Yes. Oh, stop it. Next
one.
one.
Give me.
Miss.
All right. Okay, both.
You know
both
what?
Of us.
Hold on. You know what?
Yes, brother. You are my elder.
Right. I was just going to say that. I'm the elder. I'm
am.
going to start taking charge.
I am an African.
No,
woman.
you're getting away a little bit.
I am telling you, I am not talking when the man is talking because I respect you, Baba.
Be quiet.
Baba, I kiss your feet, Baba. You are the father.
Next one. We don't keep quiet. Next one. Next. Give all your money to charity. Empress.
I've given so much.
But there's a reason I say
back.
Empress.
Why?
Because I don't have the money to give. You do.
so
Empress,
so
I just
silly.
broke. I don't have the money to give. But
Listen,
Empress would give
no,
money to charity.
I give a lot to charity.
Know,
You know what? The other day I found a letter from the Cancer Society, a thank you letter. This is like 10 years ago. And I'm like, look how long I've been.
You're a philanthropist.
I am. I love giving.
Yeah,
this
man,
one dear to my heart. I mean.
I just don't have it to give. I love give to, but I don't have it.
But you know what? Give me $1,000 towards my charity.
Get in a fight, Empress. For sure. Empress. For sure.
It's true.
She's daily in a fight.
I wanted to say something I did once at a stoplight when I jumped out of my car and deal with one of them wearing.
When you say deal with one of them, what does that mean?
That's teach him a lesson.
How you teach him a lesson?
Violating people's property
Yeah, but
rights.
how you teach him a lesson?
I'm afraid him is
Empress, yeah, Empress.
No, I got into a lot of fights. Even in school, I got into a fight with this boy when I went to high school. And he made a racial slur at me. That's why I'm so pro-black and really about finding your identity and protecting it and knowing that teaching black people that we are great and the history and the narrative that we're not, because I suffered a lot of abuse as it relates to racial slurs, racial connotations. And I remember I was suspended. Because I got into a fight with this boy and my mother defended me.
The show soon done, right?
Okay, let's go. Yeah, but you know what? I
Empress, I'm telling you that I'm in charge. At least this section I'm in charge. Be quiet.
But no fighting.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Be quiet. Yeah, next.
No fighting, please.
What I just said.
I am listening, Baba.
I am Baba. Remember that. Next one. Talk to animals. Empress.
Animals are real, and they can hear you.
I don't speak.
No,
to
I don't
animals.
really. Well, no, I'm not.
I don't speak to animals.
I like them, but
no,
I'm not
you
really
either
that.
do or you don't.
It's probably you.
No, it's not me.
Well,
I don't
put
speak
it
to
down.
animals.
None of us.
This
None
is
of us.
Empress.
I don't
Next.
really. I'm not into talking to
Empress.
animals like that.
Empress. Be quiet.
Yes, I do talk to animals actually. Like, hey, you're such a cute little cat. Okay.
Next one. Be a stand-up comedian. Empress.
Never. I am not funny. I can't tell a joke. Never. I could never do stand-up.
I'm not funny either, but I can tell a joke.
I can't tell a joke. That's why you would be better, because actually you tell a lot of jokes.
Okay, me.
That's you, definitely.
Okay, me. Next one.
So stop spinning and stick to one thing.
Join
You
the
just a
army.
flip-flop, man. You
Empress.
spin it. You don't know which part of the
Empress.
fence you're on, man.
Join the army. You would have last about 3 hours.
Yeah, no, that's never. I don't have the discipline.
Well, I do have discipline.
And
but
you were fit.
army,
You're
me
more
no
fit
know.
than I am.
I don't fit either, but you would have last about 3 hours.
Yeah, man.
They will not run you out before you.
I agree.
Before you get your uniform.
I agree.
They will not send you back home. Don't it, Soji? Soji say
Soji.
Soji. It's a Soji.
I know.
Next.
Yeah, you're right. Never would last longer.
No, I would. You join a dancing group?
That's in my next life. Never.
Me.
Yeah, it would be you.
Me.
I'm not a dancer.
I am not a dancer, but I would like to dance.
Yeah.
But I'm not a dancer. Yeah.
Like
and
but you're a
my
joiner,
personal
like-
dance where everybody I do. All of a sudden,
What is that dance? Because
do you know
Show us
the whatever bounce? It's me, them get all them things from you know.
The
They
Aji
amount of
bounce?
dance.
The Aji bounce?
Aji bounce.
show me your step. What's Neville? How it go? Show me your step. Just show us again.
No, sit down. I
the
said
Neville
no,
dance.
No, I'm in charge
Do the
of this
Neville
segment.
dance.
I am in charge of this segment.
Baba, I am
All
listening
right,
to you. You are
sit
the elder.
down.
I am sitting down, Baba.
Thank you very much. Next one. Aji bounce. Aji bounce. I'll sit, sir. I'll sit, sir. Next one. Neville. We said Neville already. Remember everyone's birthday. Not me.
Not me. But none of us.
You know, talking about everyone's birthday.
Whose birthday is it today?
My goddaughter. It's her birthday today.
Oh.
Nia Collins, even though she's at school abroad. And my friend Lance Whitaker's birthday was yesterday.
You
Wasn't it?
just remembering these things?
No, I remember yesterday, but anyway, I remember we tell him happy birthday. I think it was yesterday.
Happy
Sorry,
birthday.
Lance.
Probably. This is
My
definitely
birthday.
Neville.
One of my best friends.
Remember everyone's
But
birthday?
my goddaughter, her birthday is today. It's September 19? Nia. I actually gave her her middle name. Her middle name is Cameron.
Cameron.
Yeah, so I gave her her middle name. She's Nia Cameron Collins. Next one. Burst out singing. Empress. Would I burst out
I
singing
do.
anywhere?
I walk up that supermarket aisle like
Yeah, just start to sing.
all kind of things.
Yes, all right, stop.
If
Stop. No, sorry. Hey, stop.
Should Baba, let me sing a song, Baba.
No.
Yeah, can you just let me
I
sing
am
one
in
song?
charge of this segment.
Okay, Baba, I am listening to you.
Thank you. I am Baba.
Should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way.
Sound like we could have managed though.
And you never sing in no choir. Cause you mash up all of my tune. You take me half note, half key.
Be quiet.
Okay, Baba, I am listening to you.
Go for a break. No.
Well,
What I just said?
Percy, I'm not.
I can't do the Aji Bones. I cannot. Show me.
Ajibongs to the world now.
I can't do
The
it.
dance floor.
This is the worst dance because I
No, all
can't do
you do is just bounce. It's like go. One tear.
it. Just bounce up.
Just bounce.
Take the dance floor, do
The Neville dance.
To all the dance about everybody.
I bet you
Neville
Jody is in here.
We are dance 4 weeks.
Neville dance.
I know my dance is Aji.
That's a Neville dance.
No.
About Aji.
Jody
Jody is in here, man. Me not doing no.